Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Buster Odeholm's stereo sub bass trick. Buster Odeholm is a metal sound engineer from Sweden who has been working with such great metal bands as Humanity's Last Breath, Wild Jota, Bone of Osiris, Oceano, and many more. Also, Buster has wonderful videos and courses on mixing metal on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. If you want to learn from Buster on mixing and producing metal, the link to Nail the Mix will be in the info box of this video. So in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Buster Odeholm's stereo sub bass trick. So here in our session we have some bass audio tracks, and our bass audio tracks are mono. So here we have our sub bass mono audio track. Let's have a listen how it sounds. So how to create a stereo sub bass track in Studio One out of our sub bass mono track? So first of all we have to duplicate our sub bass mono track, and in this case we have to use right click of our mouse, and here we should choose duplicate track complete. Now we have two sub bass mono tracks, and usually you have to create a new stereo track. In this case it's called bass stereo. Then all you have to do is drag and drop your mono audio files to your new bass stereo audio file. But for some reason this trick doesn't work in Studio One. So in our case we can solo our sub bass mono tracks. We can export our sub bass mono tracks as one sub bass stereo file. So now we have our sub bass stereo audio file. Let's have a listen how it sounds. To make our sub bass stereo file sound more wider, we can use Waves Audio Studio Rack. Here, first of all, we're gonna be using Waves Doubl, and we're gonna be using basic Doubl preset to make our stereo sub bass sound wider. And to control the volume of our stereo sub bass, we can use Waves L2. Now let's listen to our stereo sub bass in our drums and bass mix. So by using this trick, now we have wider low end in our mix. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you like the video, and again, if you want to learn from Buster Odeholm on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video, and see you next time.